Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's video I'm going to show you on how to add a number to voicemail in Android. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so the very first thing you need to do is to head over to your phone dialpad right here. So I'm going to simply click on here to open this phone dialpad. Just like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on this setting icon from the top side of your phone. So click on that. Then it's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to SIM card settings. It's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on carrier features. Then take you right here. Next thing you need to do is select the SIM card you want to use. So I'm going to simply select the first SIM card right here. So you can choose any type of SIM card you want. Then it's taking me to this particular page. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on voicemail. Then take me right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on setup. Then voicemail number not set yet. Simply click on that, and this is going to pump up. Then enter the number that you want to put in the voicemail. So you just need to enter the contact number, or better still, you can click on this contact icon to import the number. Having had the number, next thing you need to do is to click on here and click on OK, and the number voicemail number change. So simply click on OK, and you have successfully had a number to a voicemail on your contact list in Android. It's as simple as that. So I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.